all my babies. It's your girl Rosie coming at you with another video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tell somebody and their mama that we live over here. So y'all, I got a package. Trying to bring it to y'all back to biggity back. And y'all, this is in a box. Yeah, I don't know, because usually AliExpress usually ship your stuff in like the Scarface packaging, if you catch my drift. If you know, you know when I'm referencing Scarface. If you ever seen Scarface. So yeah, I'm trying to, I got my address big as ever on this side, so I'm just trying to do it. Of course, this is from AliExpress. I gotta have this all over my floor, not just vacuum. Okay, hold on, y'all. This trash bag. I ain't trying to. Okay, so here we go. We got a bag. Ooh. So y'all, I just got hip to the brand called Kurt Geiger. I think I'm saying that correctly, properly. Kurt Geiger. No, I think it's Kurt Geiger. I hear people say that. So before anybody don't come at me all year in the comments talking about something. They're affordable. Yes, Kurt Geiger is affordable. It's up there with your Tory Burch, your Coach. What's the other one? I can't think of it, but you know, it's up there with your Coach, Tory Burch. It's another one. Kate Spade. It's up there with your very much affordable bags. Affordable, where I'm saying that the average person could afford it. It's like they go from like I've seen stuff like they got like wallets for like 30 something to like bags to like 300 to 400. I'm still not paying that. So y'all, I found this beauty on AliExpress. How did I find it? I just typed in I either typed in Eagle bag or Eagle handbag or Hulk, like not the Credible Hulk, like the Hulk, HAWK handbag or Hulk bag, and this came up, and I was just like, I need one, because they're very like bright, and y'all know I love bright colors, and what we say, you always want to buy your stuff off season. So if it's fall winter, start thinking about your summer spring stuff, vice versa. So this is definitely something I would wear, because I know I wear my bags all year round, but this is definitely a summer purse. So y'all, I thought this was so cute. Y'all, it even has the Hulk. I think that's what the animal is. It's a Hulk. I don't know. The bird. It actually has the bird. This is giving kind of a reptile. It's not like reptile because it doesn't feel like snake skin, but it's giving the illusion of a snake print. The real one would have the little thing right here that says Kurt Geiger. So it doesn't have Kurt Geiger logos and stuff. It's just a dupe, something similar. Yeah, I thought this was so cute. This is definitely giving me Copacabana, sitting on the side of the pool with a pina colada with an umbrella straw. So yes, it does have the magnetic, y'all see that snap, got that snap back. So it has the magnetic opening, so that's something that I'm very proud that, you know, you don't have to worry about when you're wearing your bag if it's going to open. It has the double-sided inside. Oh my god, I'm trying. No, I can't get this out. Anyway, y'all get my drift. It has the double side. It looks like the pocket goes all the way down. They don't look like the pocket is at the bottom open. It has 3 pockets. It has one right here, one right here, one right here. They're fully functional. It doesn't have any pockets in the back. The hardware is like a gunmetal gray. Even the bird is a gunmetal. And then let's look at the strap. Let's see if the strap is long enough. The strap is not adjustable, so as far as crossbody, you're not going to be able to add let me take this off. You're not going to be able to add a purse extender. Now, I don't know if the real ones you're able to. I don't know. Some people say, when I watched in their reviews, they said Kurt Geiger is kind of like a dupe of the Chanel type of vibe situation when it comes to the design. It really doesn't give me that. I guess it could be similar if you're looking at how it looks like a flat bag, but everybody's doing the flat bag, whether it's a regular flap, double flap. So it just really depends. But that's just my opinion. And I thought this purse was so cute. This purse was like 35 bucks compared to how much it would cost online, because I think you can purchase this off of Kurt Geiger, or they sell it like at Dillard's and stuff like that online. So yes, this is not that long. I wouldn't be able to wear this as a crossbody because, as y'all can see, it's going to be like all the way up here. So this is definitely something that you just wear. And then just what type of bag it is, this is something that you just don't wear on your shoulder because it's eye candy. You know, just a little something that you wear under the shoulder, or you can wear in the crease of your arm. And I thought this was so cute, y'all. So yes, this is the dupe of the Kurt Geiger bag, and I think it's pretty. It's very bright. It doesn't have feet, and I thought this was so cute. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.